Welcome to the land of snores and roars. Today, we're drawing a lion so cozy, he could win a gold medal in napping. As you can see, in just a few quick strokes, our sleepy lion is taking shape. Now let's bring him to life with bold marker lines. Let's start with his mane. Fluffier than a cloud on a sunny day. Now, let's draw the ground line. Think of it as the cozy bed where our lion snoozes peacefully. What do you think he dreams about? Time to give him his paws. We'll make them nice and big, just like soft pillows. Then, let's work on the face shape. Think of it as a cuddly marshmallow. Who wouldn't want a marshmallow lion to snuggle? Now let's draw his closed eyes and snout. He looks so peaceful, let's try not to wake him up. Okay, his two ears. They are sticking out like little antennas, ready to catch every sound in the savannah. We're almost there. Let's finish up the rest of his body, starting with that rear leg lounging comfortably as he dreams. Finally, the tail, lying softly on the ground, giving our sleepy lion that extra touch of comfort. Check out how adorable our sleeping lion looks. Now, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next fun adventure. And if you're eager for more free creative drawing adventures like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.